can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $102,000. Over the last 1 week, Bitcoin has lost 2.7% of the value. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is down 7.3%. But the big one is that on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin is still up over 60%. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has dumbed down to as low as $101,000, but still holding support. Bitcoin is still trading at all-time high range. Bitcoin is still less than 10% from a new all-time high. The last 30 days has seen Bitcoin RSI go from the high range. Right now it sits around the 42 range. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, I believe we're going to see an exit pump for the cryptocurrency market. We'll look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance just hit a new cycle high. Are we going to easily pump to the moon? Are we getting ready for that exit pump? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, which has reached a new cycle high. Over the last 3 years, we have seen Bitcoin pumping. We have seen Bitcoin going from as low as $15,000, getting to as high as $112,000, with Bitcoin dominance getting to a new cycle high of 65.75%. It's been a long journey for Bitcoin dominance. I've been one of those people that have been bearish on Bitcoin dominance all up on the way up. I've always expected Bitcoin dominance to dump eventually to gobbling town. That has been the telltale sign of the final phases of a Bitcoin market cycle. Bitcoin dominance dumping. We have seen some false stops for Bitcoin along the way. We have seen Bitcoin dominance dump in November of 2024. Continue pumping to new highs. We saw a little dump in early May of 2025, and it continued pumping to new highs. Guys, we have to watch out for Bitcoin dominance, because over the next few days and the next few weeks, I believe the next decline in Bitcoin dominance might be catastrophic, and the next decline in Bitcoin dominance might see Bitcoin struggle to get to new all-time highs, with Bitcoin trading at the $102,000 level. If we see a rally towards back $110,000, $109,000, expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Where we are in the market cycle is where we see altcoins pumping. We'll start hearing calls of alt season, and market participants will take their attention off Bitcoin. We have seen this happen before. This time it's not different. Now Bitcoin trades above $102,000. Bitcoin's 24-hour trading volume is over $45 billion. Bitcoin has a maximum of 21 million coins, and Bitcoin all-time high just came in on the 22nd of May 2025. Bitcoin traded for $111,970, guys. News stories going around the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin premium futures falls to 3-month low despite strong BTC ETF inflows. Bitcoin derivative traders turn cautious despite steady inflows into spot BTC ETF. The climate is funny right now. The news cycle is funny. Sentiment is very in and whack. In the last 1 month, we have seen extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen greed in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen neutral sentiment. And right now, there is fear in the cryptocurrency market. Just some months ago, $102,000 would have sent the crypto market into extreme greed. Right now, at $102,000, and Bitcoin setting the new cycle high on its dominance chart, the crypto market is in fear. Historically, these are conditions that has been set up for altcoin season. These are conditions that will see Bitcoin perform poorly from here onward against altcoins. Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins. If you zoom out and see what Bitcoin has been doing on the weekly time frame since when the cycle started in November of 2022, you will see that Bitcoin has had a very wonderful time. Bitcoin dominance pumping, Bitcoin USD also pumping. Bitcoin went from as low as $15,500. We have seen Bitcoin get to over $110,000, around a 600% rally in over 917 days. If you cut the bottom and you're selling the top, that was a wonderful trade. And Bitcoin is one of those coins. You could easily do that with size. You could easily put $10 million in the bottom for Bitcoin, and right now you'll be cashing out $60 million. But all you had to do was buy low, sell high. That's your number one job in the cryptocurrency market. You are here to buy low when the prices are good, and to sell high when the prices are high. Now, over the next few days, over the next few weeks, guys, Bitcoin will be the focus on attention, but I believe the real attention will be in the altcoin market. So Bitcoin can still easily have 2 green candles, those green candles can set us to new all-time highs, or could easily just be candles that will see us going sideways before the initial decline to gobbling town begins. I believe it is a big decline for Bitcoin in 2025. The summertime historically for Bitcoin has seen low liquidity, and I believe this summertime for Bitcoin might easily see those 40 to 50% crashes in the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps by 40 to 50% from where we're currently trading right now, that will just see Bitcoin going back to the 60k region. And Bitcoin going back to the 60k region is still high if you think about it. The bottom of the bear market is around $15,000. For Bitcoin to go to that bottom of the bear market, we need Bitcoin to dump by 84%, which I really think is possible in 2025. Michael Saylor is on the other side thinking that Bitcoin is going to the moon forever, because Michael Saylor has doubled down on his Bitcoin price prediction, citing massive geopolitical and regulatory changes. Bitcoin bull and strategy founder Michael Saylor has doubled down on the long-term value of BTC amidst fast-changing geopolitical and cryptocurrency adoption trend. Saylor took the stage with keynote speech at Bitcoin Prague 2025. He believes it's going to go to $21 million in 21 years. That's a very bold claim, but in the short term, Bitcoin could easily see a decline of almost 90% if we see the crypto market going to shit. Bitcoin in the post-Trump world warriors hedge fund exec as Eric Slimer. Eric Slimer says he enjoys being the lone voice crying in the wilderness, with Bitcoin as almost hedge fund executive think Bitcoin is a fly-by-night concept. I believe that's true. I believe there are concerns with all the bullish news we're seeing right now, with sentiment being wicky and wacky. Even though Bitcoin is trading above $100,000, we're seeing outrageous calls for Bitcoin to continue pumping to higher prices. At the same time, we are seeing institutional complacency. We are seeing institutions borrow money to buy Bitcoin. We are seeing more institutions borrow more money to buy Bitcoin. And over time, I don't think that will be healthy for the cryptocurrency market. But the market knows what it does. It has a funny way of flushing out bad actors. I don't think this time will be different. With Bitcoin's market cap sitting above the $2 trillion level, I believe Bitcoin has topped. If you look at Bitcoin's RSI, guys, since March of 2024, even though we continue seeing higher prices, Bitcoin's RSI have not been able to go back to those March 2024 levels. And this is a bearish divergence, with price setting new highs without RSI setting new highs. We saw the first bearish divergence for Bitcoin's price chart in December of 2024. We saw extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, and in May of 2025, we also saw a divergence with Bitcoin setting new all-time highs with the RSI failing to get to new highs. This is the second sign that Bitcoin might be due a dump. I've seen two divergences right now for Bitcoin. I won't be shocked if Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, with Bitcoin dominance getting to a new cycle high. Historically, yes, all Bitcoin now arrived that Bitcoin has been going to the moon, but at the same time, they will be wrong very soon. If you look at what has happened in the past, all the times that Bitcoin dominance looked like it was going to the moon forever, that's when initially the decline began. Look at what happened in September of 2019. Bitcoin dominance was at a new cycle high, so at 72%. What happened after that? We saw a decline before the big alt season we saw in 2021. What happened to Bitcoin dominance? We saw it head back to that 73% region, and we saw a swift decline. I believe this time is not going to be different. Similar story. Market participants are going to be expecting Bitcoin dominance to continue pumping to higher values, but we are seeing some bearish divergence on Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance, even though it has been rallying higher in value since November of 2024, we have not been able to go higher in RSI value from October 2023 when Bitcoin dominance RSI value started declining. It has been declining even though the Bitcoin dominance has been going to higher cycle. Bitcoin dominance has been entering new cycle highs. The Bitcoin RSI value has been reducing. That's a bearish divergence on Bitcoin's dominance, and that's bearish divergence on Bitcoin USD. So for Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, drop thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now? Do you believe Bitcoin is going to 140,000, 120,000? A lot of market participants are still expecting Bitcoin to set new all-time highs. That's like 20%. 25% from here. Do you believe Bitcoin will get that high, or in the camp that altcoin season is around the corner? Altcoins are going to get a shine, and the cryptocurrency market is about to see a huge decline. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, Nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.